An LVAD is a left ventricular assist device. It is a blood pump that helps deliver blood to your body when your heart is too weak to do so on its own. This pump runs off of a constant power supply. The batteries are a power source for the pump. You can see them at the patient's side. The controller is the mini computer of the pump. It's resting on the patient's hip. The pink line draws to the pump itself. It carries oxygen-rich blood from your heart to a big blood vessel called the aorta. The blue arrow points to the drive line. This is a tube that comes out of the side of your abdomen and connects to the controller. It is responsible for delivering power to your LVAD from your power supply. The pump helps move blood from your heart to the rest of your body. It needs constant power to run. The controller is like the computer of the LVAD. It controls what the pump is doing. Any alarms will show on the controller. You can check your battery life on the controller. You have two options when wearing your power supply. You can wear batteries as seen on the left, or you can connect to wall power as seen on the right. A pair of batteries lasts 10 to 12 hours. You can use the battery charger to recharge the drained batteries. To use batteries, you must remove two fully charged batteries from the charger. Make sure the battery slot is lit green to tell you that these batteries are charged. Also, press the battery button at the top of the battery to make sure it's fully charged. Insert a battery into the clip using an arrow-to-arrow connection. Repeat this for the next battery. Detach one power cable at a time. And connect to the battery using half moon over half moon connection. Firmly insert and spin towards the closed lock sign. Repeat this with the next power cable. You are now fully dependent on battery power. Press the battery button to check battery life. Battery power gauge shows how charged the batteries are. Change your batteries when there is one green bar of battery on the battery power gauge. The MPU, or mobile power unit, uses the electricity from the wall outlet. You must be plugged into the MPU while sleeping. The black outlet in the top right corner plugs into the wall outlet. The cord to the left plugs into the power cables of your controller. Plug the cord into the wall outlet and make sure that the green light turns on to tell you that power is getting to the MPU. Disconnect each power cable one at a time and make a half moon over half moon connection. White connects with white, and black connects with black. Once you have confirmed those connections, you are running off of electricity power from your MPU. The components of the LVAD can be worn in a variety of ways. These photos show you the wearables provided by the hospital. When you have an LVAD, you must be on blood thinners. These can be Coumadin, aspirin, or Plavix. Your doctor will choose your regimen. You must have your blood drawn at least every 2 weeks to monitor how your blood thinner is working. Clinic visit is every 4 to 6 weeks for stable LVAD patients. When you have an LVAD, you must limit showering to 2 times a week. You have to shower with the approved shower bag and change your dressing right after showering. You cannot submerge in water, so there is no bathing, no swimming, and no use of a hot tub.